Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Roblox password quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the More menu if you're using the app, or click the Settings gear icon if you're on the website. Now go to Account Info or Security, depending on your device. Then tap or click Change Password. Enter your current password, then type your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Tap Save or Update to apply the changes. Your Roblox password has now been updated successfully. And that's it. Your Roblox account is now more secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.